Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Sanitiser, and today in this video I will be telling you a simple trick from which you can tell if the sanitizer you're using is fake or not. Now, as we all know, this coronavirus has spread across the globe and it has taken many lives, and you know, it's really important to take care of yourself in times like this, and the most important thing we need is sanitizers and masks and gloves and stuff like that. And you know, since we are all in quarantine for now, I want you to try this.
So I've got different types of sanitizers in front of me right now. The three of these, this one, and this one are local, Pakistan made, and the one in the middle, this Dettol, is not local, it's imported. So yes, we're gonna try out which one does the best in this test.
Now for this experiment you need the sanitizers you want to try out, and you need a lighter or a matchstick to burn it with, because we all know that alcohol is flammable, and you know, we're going to test that out. And it is said that 60 to 70% of alcohol is good in a sanitizer. If you don't have that, I mean as much as that, then the sanitizer won't be as effective as it should be. It is my theory, if it burns, that means it has enough alcohol. If it doesn't burn, that means it does not have any alcohol. So that's what we're going to try out today, and that's what we're going to test with this experiment right here.
Okay, so test number one, we're going to be trying out this sanitizer right here first. So let's see if this one works or not. Pour some sanitizer like this. Take the lighter. And we're going to try to burn it. See that? It catches a little bit of fire, but then it loses it. Let me just smush it down and see if that works. Oh, see that? Oh, it catches a little bit of fire when I smushed it down, but the fire is weak. Okay, so next we have this advanced hand sanitizer. So just like that one, we're gonna pour this one in there as well. Okay, that's enough. Let's try to burn this up. That's weird. Let me smush it around. Okay, let's check if it works. Nope. According to this experiment, it has no alcohol. It does attract the fire a little bit. This one was even worse. That means it's pointless to use. Let's try this Dettol. It's a trusted worldwide company. Okay, so let's pour the Dettol in here. Let's check. Oh, this is how sanitizers are supposed to burn. Can you look at that stable fire? How it's going? That means that this sanitizer has more than 70% of alcohol. That's what's called an actual sanitizer. Let's try this one out. It has no branding, it's not in the market yet, but it's an experiment from a lab. They claim that this has more than 70% alcohol. Let's see if it burns or not. Oh wow.
That means they were not lying. This thing does have more than 70% of alcohol, and it's actually burning more than the Dettol, which means it has more alcohol even than the Dettol.
So look at that. You hear that nice? Okay, I guess that's it.
So now you know how you can test your own sanitizer at home. Just take a lighter, try to burn the sanitizer. If it burns, that means it's got enough alcohol to clean your hands. Now, from all the sanitizers we tried, the last two performed the best because they held the fire for like minutes, and the Dettol performed best, and this one also performed very well. I mean, this does not have any brand, but this one is like from a lab that they say it's like under processing. So they just sent for experimenting, and it turned out to be very well, and it is suitable for being a sanitizer. So the first ones we tried were quite pathetic. I mean, this one was like catch the fire for like some time, and it did like for 5 seconds, and then it went away as well. It was not able to maintain the fire, which means it does not have enough alcohol in it to clean your hands. Like, it's less than 60%, which means this one is also pointless. And then this one was the worst of all sanitizers that I had. I held the fire on it for like 10 to 15 seconds. It still did not work at all. So do not use this. If you see this in your store, just ignore it. It's fake. It's of no use. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. As well as you know what that means, subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in the next video because there is a lot of quarantine stuff coming up. You know, even this quarantine can't keep me away from cars. See you in the next one.